Hi, let's start labeling our user interface elements in this movie. The user interface is also referred to as UI for short. So right at the top over here, I have all my drop-down menus. Right here, tools, group, views, and so on. And I have another menu from this little arrow right here for new, reset, open, save as, and so on. Then this one over here is my main toolbar, and I can very easily detach it. So I can undock it just by doing so. And I can double click on it again and it goes back. This over here is my command panel. Again, I can undock it and I can just right click dock. And if that's going outside, I can move it here, right click, dock. I can even dock it to the left, or I can just move it back again and I can dock it to the right. You can also extend the command panel, so I can just go here and extend it. I'm simply clicking here and dragging. These are called viewports. So I have my front view, my top view. You can see the objects from the top view over here, left view, and a perspective view, which is pretty much a 3D view. Over here, I have my time slider, and this is my timeline. Then I have my playback controls over here. And these buttons over here are pretty important. Some of them are buttons for zooming. And the cool thing about Max is any button you go on, you can see that it's telling me, it's giving me a like little tooltip right there. Zoom all, this is for panning, and so on. And arc rotate for orbiting the view, and so on. This one over here is for maximizing the view. The text is going outside right now. But also, if your Max is showing black right now, or it's a dark color scheme, the way I've done that is I've changed my color scheme just for the purpose of the video. So I go to customize and I went to custom UI and default switcher, and I pretty much chose the AME light. Also, you can load some other toolbars over here. So if you go to customize, show UI, you can turn off the command panel from here, you can turn off the main toolbar from here, the track bar. Show ribbon is all your ribbon elements right here, and a whole bunch of other graphite modeling tools and all show up. And you also have your show floating toolbars, which is going to display everything in Max, and you can all the toolbars, and you can just drag them and the ones you want. Let's say if I don't want animation layers, I can just close this right now, and maybe I just want the brush presets. So what I can do is I can just simply double click on this, and you can see that it docked itself. And I can also take any buttons over here and I can turn them off. So there's my brush preset manager. So there you go, that's our UI.